Hello everyone, today I'm gonna tell you my experience of helping for people. One sunny Saturday morning, I decided to take a walk around my neighborhood. I didn't plan anything special, but the day turned out to be full of kindness. At first, I saw an old woman struggling to carry her groceries Without hesitation, I offered to help. Together, we slowly walked to her house, and then she thanked me with a warm smile. Second, at the park, I noticed a little boy crying because his ball rolled in the pond. I found a long stick and I fished the ball out and handed it back. Third, on my way home, I met my friend Putra. He looks upset. He lost his wallet. Later, I helped her rebrace her steps, and after long searching, I found it near a bench. Putra thanked me and bought me some snack. For near a street, I saw a orange tabby behind behind a fence, and then I lift the tabby out and I give her some water. After that, I pet the tabby. 5. I, I saw my mom having trouble serving customer who comes and cur- couldn't clean the dishes. So, without thinking twice, I helped my mother to clean the dishes. That's only. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Goodbye.